Argentina Merchant Marine Ship Owner 551. There is this debate within the deputies, and now it is going to be in the Senate, that has been rejected of 177 votes against and 8 abstentions, and then 5 in favor of deregulation of the merchant marine. How are we going to deregulate merchant marine? Is it going to be regarding the requirements of the captains, the requirements of strike rights, the requirements of flexible cabotage, the requirements of liberty of employing other nationalities, also the not from pools that are from labor unions, the crew nationalities, and essential service of merchant marine, which is 75%. Are we going to debate all these like 10 really very important points, or are we just going to do it? Yes, this is for you, Argentina government, but any other government in this planet? Or are we going to calculate what is the intrinsic value of 4 million seafarers times $20,000 direct jobs, but 10 times more is indirect jobs? That means that we're talking about 44 million rotation every year times $20,000 average. I know it's small, but anyway, just keep it simple. Yes, politicians, we will keep it simple. You know, this is a calculator, okay? So think about liberal and not liberal merchant marine, but think about giving to your country all this cash from other countries every year. Yes, then how much money would we be talking about instead of wasting time with these deputies and then wasting time with the Senate and wasting time with these debates about the merchant marine of some people that don't know about merchant marine? But do you know how to generate 44 million jobs in Argentina? Then why don't you multiply times 100 the Merchant Maritime School of Officers? Why don't you copy the system that the Anglo-Saxon system has, which is that the rating can go all the way up to captain and chief engineer? Why don't you train English? Because in Argentina not many people speak English. And then why don't you focus, because 50% of world commerce is between Europe and America, and then Argentina is strategically situated because it could really benefit from these policies. And also train ratings. We don't have any ABs, motormen, electrician with high voltage. We don't have any fitters, mechanics, and English, please. Go ahead and then focus regarding these 44 million. Is this good for all of them? For the labor unions, for all the Senate, the deputies, and then for everybody, the parliament, everybody? Yes, then why don't you do it yesterday? Thank you, bye.